Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to describe the different file types available in Tableau. The first file type I'm going to mention is called the Tableau Workbook. The Tableau Workbook basically stores a visualization without including the source data and has a .twb file extension. The next file type is called the Tableau data source, and this basically stores the server address, the password, and other related information required to access a data source. It has a .tds file extension. An example of the data source it can connect to would be a Microsoft SQL Server database, an Oracle database, a MySQL database, or any other related data source that requires the server address, password, and other required information to access that data source. The next file type is called the Tableau bookmark. The Tableau bookmark basically stores connection to a worksheet in another Tableau workbook. It has a .tbm file extension. With the Tableau bookmark, rather than you copying the sheet over, you can actually create a live link to the other workbook that you're trying to access, and then that bookmark will update the data in the other file anytime that you view that worksheet through a bookmark. The next file type is called a Tableau data extract, and this basically stores the Tableau data as part of the file, but it is filtered and aggregated. It has a .tde file extension. So with the Tableau data extract, it only has a part of the file which is filtered and aggregated. So not all of the data is actually stored in the data extract, only a portion of it, and the rest are filtered and aggregated rather than the individual rows from the source data record. The final file I'm going to mention here is called the Tableau Packaged Workbook, and the packaged workbook basically stores extracted data and visualization that can be used for viewing in Tableau or Tableau Reader. It has a .twbx file extension. So with the package workbook, you have all the data included in the file, so you don't need to worry about creating connections to an external file. In this video, I described the different file types that are available in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.